So I guess I'm done with the back. So this is what I noticed at the back. So for this set, there are 5 coils, but something distinct is about them from the ones in front. I'll still come back to the front, but I noticed something here. They are all passing through. Starting from this, which is a little shorter because of the slot they pass through. There are 3 slots in the middle, then this to this. So from what I see, there is 10 slots from here, which is 1 2 3 4 5. The same thing, 1 2 3 4 5. So there are 10 slots from here. But then in between the 10 slots, there are 3 slots and there are 3 slots. That gives us the total of 26 slots. But then what is unique about them? They are all passing through, which means no matter what happened, they all came from the front. Whatever connection was done in the front here. Whatever decision of how these coils will work was done in the front here. So the bottom here are all passing through. So from the front we'll be able to find out what coils, how many wounds, whatever happened to it in front. If they went this way, at least from here I can see there are 4 actual end points. So what either is the start or the end. I know there are 4. This is 1 2 3, and there's still 1 and 4. So there are 4. So 2 should be start and 2 should be end, and either ways possibly maybe 1 should be the starting and 1 should be the running coil, because I know 2 are connected to this capacitor for the output. So why they are, we'll find out. But first of all, we're still trying to find out how these coils are actually wounded and the direction in which they move. At the end of the day, we should be able to tell how we can reconfigure it to get the voltage that we need. So if one is broken or not, we'll be able to find out, because if I can find out how they move, I can test each coil if there is no breakage. So but for the back side, we know they are all passing through. They just pass through, they are going about. So we're coming back to the front to continue the separation.